Welcome back to Cooking in Kilts, where today we're not cooking, we're making a mocktail. Whether it's dry January or you're pregnant or you're not drinking alcohol for whatever reason, this is the video you want to be, especially if you came from that Bob Dylan video where Elizabeth with the charismatic voice just analyzed Bob Dylan for the first time. This is the mocktail that I made for Elizabeth in that analysis video. Super simple. We're going to talk about a few of the components and then we're going to put it all together. First, I want to talk about my simple syrup. I make all of my simple syrups from scratch. It's typically a cup of water, a cup of whatever the sugar is, and some sort of spice or citrus, whatever it may be. The specific one for today has cloves in it, has grapefruit in it, and has Turbinado sugar. So it's an amazing scent, it's an amazing flavor, and it's gonna pair well with everything else we have here. I have a gin substitute that I make myself. You can get gin substitutes pretty much any Amazon, any liquor store, Walmart, whatever it is. I recommend a Ritual, it's called Ritual Gin Substitute. It's got the juniper berries, but it's got pine in it. It has a bunch of other different herbs, flavors, basil, like English cucumber, that sort of thing. There's also fever tree. There's, what's the other one?
Seedlip.
Seedlip, thank you, person behind the camera. Appreciate that. I have a club soda. You can use sparkling water, whatever you like. This is Topo Chico club soda because my wife is fascinated with everything Topo Chico. Pineapple juice, and I have a little bit of pomegranate left, which we're gonna use today. So super simple ingredients. We'll start off by using 2 ounces of your gin substitute. If you do drink and you wanna make this with a little bit of alcohol, use gin, just 2 ounces of gin. But you definitely want the aromatics of what that gin or gin substitute are gonna provide to the drink. Okay, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. Remember, 1 cup water, 1 cup turbinado. I put about 10 cloves and half a grapefruit into the pot.
I love this simple syrup.
Oh, is this Elizabeth talking? She says she loves the simple syrup. I don't know if we can hear her. We're gonna do 1 ounce of the club soda. Give it a little bit of sparkly. Do 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And just a splash of pomegranate. And why pomegranate juice? I don't know. I was just going through the fridge and I saw it and I thought, oh, that might pair really well with this, with these other things. And guess what? It did.
It makes it really hard to figure out what's in the drink.
This is true. This is true. I do this. I do this. We're gonna stir this up. You know, I came in here without my strainer. This is me being prepared for my first mocktail video on the channel. So, you know, this is what you get. This is what you got for clicking that link and coming here. You get ridiculed while I forget things. It's right there. All right. And strain into your chilled glass. And there we go. It needs a name. I don't know what the name is, so put in the comments what this name of this mocktail should be.
Like a Rolling Stone.
Like a Rolling Stone from Bob Dylan. Let's see if it makes me, prevents me from singing. Oh. See, I didn't try this when I gave it to you, Elizabeth. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. It's super fragrant. Super citrusy with the pineapple and with the grapefruit in that simple syrup. The cloves really present, but then you get the juniper from the gin substitute coming right through. A little bit of sparkly from the club soda. This is fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Whatever the top comment is down below with the name for this mocktail, that's what it's called. Until next time, go watch the analysis video of Elizabeth analyzing Bob Dylan. Unless you came here from there, then go watch it again. Until next time, cheers.